When my Biafra, I will hear the Biafra I don't, I will indeed. My brother-in-law here, Mickey, where would they go? Mike. Biafra. Onye nọ n'akụkụ bụ Lord Julius Ugwulebo, President Owerri People's Association. Onye nọ n'akụkụ bụrụ Alois Chusamadi, the former President of Owerri Progressive Association. Kozo Mr. Kachuku from Nnewi. Onye nọ n'ihu nke ahụ bụ Nze Chiumakunne. Nze Chiumakunne, the manager of this property, and the property stays clean, stays in order, and let me see all people in this property, he's doing a very good job. Oye architect Vincent Ugwe from Hawaii Progressive Association. Oye Nonakoko, Mrs. Ifato Anuboa, the former president of the Temple Foundation. Oye Nonakoko, Mrs. Maureen Achilike. Mrs. Maureen Achilike was the Assistant Financial Secretary of ICANN. Onye Nonakoko, Emma Ifeji, Chief Emma Ifeji from Udiezago, from Udiezago. Because of Wemara Mazi Medical Goko, the former board chairman of ICANN, I must say, like our organization. Our Reverend here, Reverend Obabuko, on the in our community. Because EJ Iber Kakako, I am a got one knee in Kurobi, dealer, or the Wakamo, and amen. That's what Amuro, a and then do through last night, La Ouija, Gary, or what take you were, Gabby, when I here do I, maybe don't let or when I make him, I was losing, and I was because they were killing one.
Ibumamba, I need this here. Thank you very much, Mr. President. And now we are going to officially introduce our guest. And I'm handing over to Master Che Ugwa to introduce him.
I didn't mean to interrupt. Buko Kola the president,
Yes, no way. Thank you. With women, they do anything. Okay.
Igbo, Mamman. Igbo, Mamman. Igbo, Mamman. I'm got someone who here. But I'm got someone who may see here, who does see here. Because, first of all, come with our put our language means opportunity and time. We can have our president, attorney, indeed, Mberede Dike, Mberede Gage and Making behind an hour there. Oh, we do 1 hour, less than 48 hours. na-asị ọwụ ndị niile a kpọrọ na-abịa ọwụkwana mmadụ niile ka a na-emegide ka ha na-akpọ esi ya ozi ya mara wee kwuo ndị Igbo na-emebe ha. Biko atọghị m ọgwacha na-egide gị ya ihe nji were kwụrụ ọtọ na-ekwu okwu, a sị m onye kwụrụ ọtọ na-ekwu okwu ihe ọ maka nnukwute mmọnwụ wepụta anyị na Dallas nwanne anyị nwoke. O nwere otu a ga-esi kwuo okwu nwewe a little bit of sentiments to introduce somebody whom you know has done so much and yet not recognized. Biko, onye nnachi mebe unu introduce now. Who onye na-eti aka n'obi eme ihe. Who onye ọbụla mara. But ihe ọ na-eme ka nkọ. Nwanne anyị nwoke